Hello guys, and welcome to your Math 1.2 video. Alright, so today we're going to take a peek at this problem right here. Let's read this problem together. This is 196 plus 625 equals. Now, I want you on a piece of paper, I want you to solve this problem for me. I'll give you a moment. You can press pause on the video until you have an answer. So let's talk about what are some ways that you could start to solve this problem. How would you tell a third grader how to solve this problem with step-by-steps? Maybe you want to add by the place. That would look like this. So you would add the hundreds place, then you would add the tens place, and then finally, maybe you add the ones place. So 100 plus 600 is 700. 90 plus 20 is 110. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. Now what you want to do with these three sums is you want to combine them. You want to put them all together to get one final answer. So you would have 700 plus 110 plus 11 to give you a grand answer of 821. Maybe some of you solved this problem like this. Okay, let's take a peek at how we do this way. We were going to start in the ones place. We're going to say 6 ones plus 5 ones equal 11 ones, or one group of 10 and one 1. Let's look at how we write that. One group of 10 and one 1. So you still have that 11. It's right here. But we have taken, since we can only have one digit in each place, we've taken that group of 10 and we've moved it over to the tens place. So now what we're going to add is one group of 10, 9 groups of 10, and 2 groups of 10, or 1 plus 9 plus 2. And that gives you the answer of 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. But remember, we can only write one digit per place. So we're going to put the 2 in the tens place. And we are going to bring the group of 100, because this answer would really be 120. So we're going to bring the group of 100 and give it to our group of 100 right here. We have now one group of 100, another one group of 100, and 6 groups of 100, which is really 100 plus 100 plus 600. So now when we add these three together, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 6 is 8. But is that 8 really just an 8, or is it 800? You decide. Let me know. So we get the final answer of 821, which is exactly what we got right here. Maybe you may have done it with a number line. Let's take a peek at what it may have looked like on a number line. So again, we have the problem, 196 plus 625 equals. All right, so maybe we did a number line and you started with the biggest number, which is 625. So So we've got our number line. And we put 625. Now we know that we have to add 196 to 625. And when we do that, all the way over here, it's going to give us the final answer. And if we do it correctly, we should get the answer of 821. So let's look. All right, so I'm going to go back to adding a place. So I'm going to start with my hundreds place. So I'm going to add 100 to the 625. So what is 625 plus 100? If you said 725, pat yourself on the back. That's exactly right. So I've added the 100. Now I'm going to the next place, which is the tens place. So how many tens do we have? We have 9 groups of 10 or 90. So we are going to add 90. So now we have 725 plus 90. What would that be? It's 10 less than adding 100. So if it were 100, it would be 825. It's 10 less. The answer would be 815. Now we can't forget about our 6 ones. So now we're going to say 815 plus 6. So we think in our head 815 plus 6. 816, 817, 818, 819, 820, and 821. Isn't that the exact same answer that we got a while ago when we broke it apart into the different places and added them? And then when we did it this way, like this way is called the U.S. Standard Algorithm. And I will tell you, when I was in school, and probably a lot of your parents, when they were in school, this is the way that we learned how to do it. And we're going to be practicing that this year, actually in this first unit. So let's talk about the different assignments that you have today for math. You're going to be doing workbook pages 267 and 268. When we get to workbook page 269, you notice on your daily checklist it said for you, after you work it out, to take a picture and send it to me on Class Dojo. And then I've added on the checklist that page 270 is an optional assignment. So if you have time to do it, then do it. But if not, you can come back to it another day if you want. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.